Hey there, I'm Oliver Sholder. I am a consultant with Idealist Consulting who implements Salesforce and marketing automation solutions for progressive organizations. Today I want to take a look with you at how to create list views. So I'll jump right into things. Starting on the home screen of the Salesforce Lightning edition, we'll navigate over to our opportunities. And right here, we can see that we have some different list views on the top left-hand corner here. So we're on the recently viewed opportunities list view. And if I go over here and switch it to closing next month, you can see that filters it to just show opportunities that are closing next month. And you can see on my calendar down here, it's June 14th, and these are all closing in July. So the list views are in part a way of filtering your data, and they're on a per object basis. So filtering here our opportunities object, but you could also do leads, contacts, accounts, or any other custom object can have a list view. And we're also on NPSP, so you might see some things that are more specific to nonprofits here. Another nice feature is that you can see recently viewed list views, and you can even search through them. And at the end of the day, it's just a real quick and easy way of seeing particular segments of your data. So to actually create a list view, what we'll do is we'll navigate over here onto our gear icon, and we're going to hit New. And then from here, we can give it a name. And so for this example, I'm going to create a list view that shows us all of our closed won opportunities. I'm going to just name it Won Opportunities. And then just below, we can choose who gets to see this. And most users will only be able to create list views that they can see. But if you're an administrator user, you can create list views that all users can see. So for this example, I'll create one where everyone can see it. And now go ahead and save that. And so from here you can see that this is just showing all of our data because there's no filters on it. And so what I'll do is I'll add a filter here on the right hand side, and then we can pick the field that we want to filter off of. And so in this case we're going to use our stage field. And then we pick our operators, so things like less than, greater than, equals, not equals to, etc. And for this, we're just going to keep it simple and use equals to. And then we pick our values. And since this is a pick list field or a drop-down field, we get to just select the values. And you can pick as many as you want. But for this example, we're just going to use our closed one. And so now that we have that selected, we'll hit Done. And then when we hit Save, you'll notice that the stage gets filtered, and everything here is a closed won opportunity. And now we can hide that. And since we know that everything here is a closed won opportunity, we don't really need this stage field anymore. And we might also want to make a couple adjustments to the other fields here. So what we'll do is we'll go in here to our list view controls, and we'll choose select fields to display. We can just select the stage field, take that one out of here, and then let's say we also wanted to add our honoree contact and also our fiscal year period to this list view. So we could add those two, and if you're on a Mac, you can hold the Command key. On a PC, it should be the Control key, where you can select more than one, which becomes useful if you have a lot of fields to display. You can move all of those, or you can just pick one and move that around just like this. And now we'll save that. And just like that, we have created a list view where we have added filters to only show closed won opportunities, and we have also picked our fields to display, which show up here in the columns in exactly the way we want. And we can also sort these ascending or descending based off of any field. So for example, our amount, We can start with the smallest amounts, or we can start with the largest amounts here. So that is just a quick walkthrough of how to create list views in Salesforce Lightning. So now that I've covered that, I'd love to hear any questions or comments that you guys have. You can just leave a comment below in the video, or you can also email me at oliver.sholder, that's SHOLDER, @idealistconsulting.com. Thanks for watching.